We invited artists that are deep into craft art, working in the nature or working in the nature as artists.
That's the right and venstre. That's the left one.
Do you know how much the forest speaks about you? Come on!
How we connect with the landscape. I play and imagine we can have a lover's relationship with the place we live in. We cannot love anyone we don't know.
You can put them together as kind of straws or whatever you find. Every piece of this wood, I think, is beautiful. You can take the long ones, you can take the slim ones.
Welcome very much here in the Insect Hotel. You can take inspiration in a specific insect, or you can also choose to create a fantasy.
Sentences gather, they form poetry.
Vi skal lade være at tænke på kunst, vi skal ligesom sanse naturen. Så den første indtryk, det er det mest vigtige. Det er ligesom, når man står i køkkenet og laver mad. Det er ingredienser, som skal ligesom gøres til en fantastisk ret.
Everything organic, all vegetarian, but sometimes we use a little organic fish. I always see what is the season, and I took all the different colors. An experience, not just a meal.